Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be flying with Fiji Airways from Los Angeles to Nadi on their A350 in economy. Because our gate is in the west gates of LAX, we have to pass through this pretty cool tunnel. Now for the seat map. On this A350-900, there are 33 business class seats arranged in a 1-2-1 reverse herringbone layout, while economy is configured in a 3-3-3 layout with my seat being 36K. Now for the seat tour. In front of us, there is an adjustable screen. Below that, there are some headphones. The tray table folds out like this and is adjustable with a place for your cup. And below that, there's a seat back pocket with decent legroom. Underneath the seat, there are universal power sockets, and of course, an adjustable headrest. There are also coat hooks at every seat, as well as air vents, which are greatly appreciated. There is also a pillow and blanket at each seat. The headphones that were included also sounded really good. Now for the IFE. It's overall really responsive with a great selection of content. There was also a camera, but as this was a night flight, we couldn't really see much during the flight. There was also a moving map, which was really responsive and fun to play with. Overall, a pretty solid IFE. Now for dinner. I got the lasagna, which was absolutely delicious, with some bread, dessert, and a salad on the side. Instead of plastic, there was wooden cutlery instead. Now for the loo review. It was overall pretty clean, with cool lighting on the floor, but not really anything special. there was also drinks if people wanted during the flight. Now for breakfast, there was some juice, fruit, and yogurt on the side. I got the pancakes, which were surprisingly good for airplane food. I originally thought that I, along with other passengers, would feel tired, worn out, and downright cranky on this flight due to the 11:55 p.m. departure time. However, I felt very refreshed due to the seats being very comfortable. It also helps that I flew on a modern A350 compared to older 777s, for example. The atmosphere, helped by the cheerful boarding music and nice lighting, made this flight feel so much nicer. Due to the fact that the flight was headed to Fiji, everyone, albeit tired, was in a great mood. Overall, I thoroughly enjoyed this flight, thanks to its great service, excellent food, comfortable seats, wonderful atmosphere, and of course, the external cameras. Now it's time for landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our home, where the local time is 12 minutes past 5 a.m. We have passed the international date line, and today is Friday,